I'm here with Funtime95, also known as Josephine, my best friend, sister.
Okay, can you shut up for a second?
I say that, and then she tells me to shut up. Okay.
Today, also known as Angelina. Go subscribe to her YouTube once we're done with this video, because if you just go to her YouTube right now, and you're not watch it out, you're really stupid idiot.
Okay, then. I don't know if you can hear her on Uber, but yeah. So, finish watching my video before you go subscribe to her. And we're gonna start. So, become all-powerful, but you are vulnerable against water.
You can always but you will never know.
I don't know what vulnerable means exactly.
Wait, what do I do if I agree with the but you can always do one, but you will never know. How will I
You just say if you want to click the button or not.
Yeah, but then what if I don't click it?
Then it's fine.
Does that mean I agree with you'll always do one, but you will
No,
never
if you say you won't click the button, that means you don't agree. If you click the button, that means you will do it or agree or whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna say I will not because I don't know what it means. So, like, yeah. And the percentages was... Oh, a lot of people didn't, so that's good. You own every book in the world, but you cannot read.
Where did the hand and the button go?
You're supposed to click good or bad to continue. Okay, I'm gonna say I will not because I don't really even like books that much. Yeah, a lot of people didn't either. Okay. Every day, a random amount of money is added to your bank account, ranging from 1 cent to $100. But in order to gain the money, you must vomit twice every day. You can choose when you vomit, but you cannot choose how hard it will be. It will never be life-threatening, but at its worst, you'll vomit for 2.5 minutes straight. Your teeth and esophagus won't be damaged, and you cannot choose not to vomit at all on a given day. I'm gonna say no, because vomiting is like, I don't, like, ugh, it's like gross and bad. So yeah, I will not. What, more people press the button so more people want to vomit twice a day? Are you serious? Bye. You can alter anyone's body in any way at will, including your own, with no side effects or costs, but you become world famous, changing people, becoming a full-time job, and a group of natural body share will make an assassination attempt on you monthly. I already did this one, and I forgot what I said, but I'm just gonna say I will not. Whoa, 62 people did and 38 did not, so I guess it's bad since I was on the did not side. You get infinite money, but your favorite shape/color combination is blue triangles? What? What does blue triangles have to do about infinite money? Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Oh, 89% did press the button. That's good. You can push the button, but you don't know what will happen. YOLO. Okay, Josephine doesn't even care that the button just exploded me. You know what? Hey, resurrection, I came back to life. Oh, Oh, 74 people did press the button, so that's good. That's 74 people exploded and came back to life. Good, okay. Become great at any online computer game, but everyone will think you half/cheated and they will say awful things about your mother. I will not, because one, it's my mother's birthday, so I don't want people saying awful things about my mother. 61 people pressed the button? That's bad. Okay, you get superhuman powers of your choosing, but you can only use them when you're naked and someone can see you. Well, I don't want people seeing me naked. And you know, I will not. 62%! So, you're telling me that 24,221 people want people to see them naked? Okay, bad. You live in a world with superheroes, DC Universe, Marvel Universe, etc. But you don't have superpowers. Well, what's the sense of it if every single person is a superhero and I'm not? Like, I will not. Good. You can marry any fictional character, but they will not remember who you are every time they wake up. Then, what's the sense of it? Like, this is just an example. I'm not saying I want to marry SpongeBob, but I'm just saying, if I marry SpongeBob, and he doesn't even know who I am when he wakes up, it's like, bruh. But, like, if I had to marry a fictional character, I don't know who would I pick, because every cartoon character is kind of weird. Like, if I married SpongeBob, he would be annoying every day. I don't say I don't like SpongeBob. Like, you even said that he's the most annoying character. When did I say that? Yeah, I remember you said that one day. Cause there was this Instagram post and I got SpongeBob, and then you're like, well, SpongeBob is the most annoyingest character. Anyways, I will not. Good. You have a great life, but every time you look at a child, they fall over. So, do they die or pass out, or do they just fall over? Do they get hurt? Like, this game needs to be more specific. But, so, if I have a child when I'm older, and every time I look at the child, she or he just falls over, it would be weird and awkward. But if every time I look at a child, they just fall over. Yeah, this is the option. You have a great life, but every time you look at a child, they fall over. Yeah, but children are cute. Like my nephew, he's younger than me, so when I'm older, he's probably still gonna be a kid. So, like, I will not. Oh, well, I'm the 28% out of 100. You now live in a mansion with staff on hand at all times, but Night at the Roxbury is on an infinity loop and every room full blast. Well, one, I don't know what that is, but something looping forever is very annoying, but let's just search it. Night at the Roxbury. 1 hour and 22-minute loop. Comedy. Hey, Jelena, you're gonna get mad at me. But can I tell you what you're gonna get mad at me for? What?
You gain the powers of your favorite superhero.
Oh, I got that one before. Do not click the button.
I clicked it.
That's so mean. I didn't click it because you're my best friend.
I know.
You're so mean.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
What?
So basically you choose superpowers over your best friend. That is so rude. Anyways, I'm gonna say I will not because a loop would be very annoying. Wait, but what if I... Never mind. I'm just gonna say... No, get. Okay. You get to be a professional athlete in the club sport of your choice, but you have to play your entire career for your rivals and will be seen as a legend in their fans' eyes.
You save your daughter from a fatal car accident in high school.
Wait,
but
what?
She goes on to a career in porn, and
You-
yet she
what?
does. Oh my
Okay.
God. I will, because I really don't care if my daughter goes on and starts doing that stuff. It's like, I'll just leave her. Come here, Luna, jump on the bed.
Okay. You can travel to parallel universes, but you run the constant risk of being confused, go insane, and create a paradox that erases you from time. Wow, I'm already insane because I'm a Melly Martinez fan and I love to be crazy. But, I don't really get what this is saying, so I'm just gonna click it, 'cause why not? I might explode again. I'm just gonna say good. No, bad. Propose groundbreaking theories in science and physics, but they will only become accepted and praised many centuries after your death. It's so hard to think when she's yelling hers over me. But, I bet, like, every time I stop talking, I hear very random stuff from you, and then every time you stop talking, you're probably hearing random stuff from me. Okay. Why? Okay.
You can change your form at will, but
It's so hard to think when she's talking. Okay.
people of the opposite gender. I have no clue that we come here, Luna.
I'm not.
Did I not click it? Okay. How long have you been recording for?
You will win. I have been recording for 13 minutes and 5 seconds. You will win the lottery and get 50 million. Is that what that says? 50 million or 50 billion, tax free. But you cannot spend more than 1,000 per month. I can kind of go with that.
You become wizard
Yeah.
of great power, but you lose your sexual organ. What is a sexual organ? Can you text me, Jelena?
How am I supposed to know?
Because you're in the... Which grade are you in?
How about you just open the tab and search it?
Fine. I'll record myself. Imagine going search out while I'm recording. I'm gonna pause.
You get the most beautiful. You mean beautiful? They typed it beautiful. This game doesn't even know how to spell. Beautiful voice on earth, but you become deaf. But then you wouldn't really have the most beautiful voice, right? I will not.
3, 2, 1. You are married to the love of your life.
Wait, did you search what it was? Be able to change the future, but go into a coma for 6 months. I will not.
Okay, I don't want children. I'm clicking the button. No, I don't like children.
Oh wait, bad. Whatever. Okay, I keep clicking stuff. Okay.
Too much work.
You find a cure for cancer, but the person you hate most takes all the credit. I will not. Like, well, actually, it would cure cancer, though. It doesn't really matter if they know it's from me. so I guess I will. Good. You suddenly know everything anyone has ever said about you, but this means everything your friendships/relationships may suffer if you do this. You know what? Who cares? Because then I'll figure out if they're a true best friend or not. So, I will press the button. You find the Holy Grail, but no one believes you. I know there's a song called that, but I don't know what it actually means. Holy Grail. Oh, that's what it is. I know what that is, I just don't know what it's called. Okay, I'll press it. You get to be with the one you love forever, but you are stuck in an endless time loop where you will have to watch them die every day before waking up and starting the day over, repeat, etc. So I just wake up, watch them die, and go back to sleep? What's the sense of that? I will not. Okay. You can, but I'll keep going. All animals trust and like you unless you hurt them. Even mosquitoes and wasps leave you alone. But non-vegan food makes you nauseous. Drop of milk in 10 pounds of food is enough to make you vomit after you take a single bite. YOLO, I love animals. I'll get a Ferrari for your 21st birthday, but you can't drive it. Then what's the sense of it? I will not. Okay, so I'm gonna end it here since she ended it. So, Lamok ends up a fantastic day night. It's a perfect Joey in your way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, comment, etc. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. It's my mom's birthday. You can comment below happy birthday to her. And thank you for watching. Kitten Claw.